This is both an honor and a profound duty that I undertake with humility, commitment, and determination. I pledge to work diligently alongside each and every one of you to advance the vision and mission of our community. Let me also thank His Excellency President Salva Kiir Mayardit, the President of South Sudan and the outgoing chair, for his visionary leadership over the past 1 year. Under his stewardship, the EAC has made remarkable strides in deepening integration and achieving progress in key areas that define our shared aspirations. His efforts and dedication deserve our utmost gratitude. Thank you very much, Mr. President. Your Excellencies, the East African Community's vision is to be a prosperous, competitive, secure, stable, and politically united region. This noble ambition unites our efforts and inspires our citizens. It is a vision grounded in the belief that the integration of our economies, the harmonization of our policies, and the celebration of our diversity will unlock unprecedented opportunities for our shared prosperity. During my tenure, I will prioritize improving the quality of life for our region, people of our region. We will focus on increasing competitiveness, promoting value-added production, boosting inter-regional trade, and driving investment to our economies. These pillars are essential for transforming our economies, creating jobs, and ensuring sustainable development across our countries. Peace, security, political accountability, and good governance are the bedrock of our community's stability. To achieve these aspirations, we must continue to strengthen regional mechanisms that safeguard our sovereignty and collective security while promoting inclusive governance that reflects the aspiration of East Africans. The success of the East African community depends on sustainable financing. The adoption of the 65% equal and 35% assessed financial formula is an important step towards equitable contribution and financial stability. However, I urge partner states to uphold their commitment to the timely disbursement of statutory contributions and fast-track the implementation of the sustainable financing mechanism. This will ensure the EAC Secretariat is well-resourced and empowered to deliver on its mandate. The evidence of our integration is visible in everyday life of our people. Today, a small business owner in Jinja can sell their products in Mwanza. A farmer in Kigali can access markets in Nairobi. Entrepreneurs across our region can tap into a vibrant market of approximately 300 million people. These are the real transformative outcomes of our efforts to build a unified, economically integrated East Africa. Looking ahead, I will work with members of the summit to deliver on key priorities, including enhancing peace, stability, and economic development in our region, increasing intra-EAC trade and investment that now stands at almost 28%, strengthening private sector engagement and the participation of MSMEs in driving economic transformation, the expansion of our community to include South Sudan, the Democratic Republic of Congo, and the Federal Republic of Somalia reflects the growing appeal of the EAC as a model of integration. While this expansion brings opportunities, it also calls for deliberate strategies to ensure the seamless inclusion of new members into our systems. By unlocking the immense potential of our expanded market, we can truly transform the economic landscape of our region, and I commend the recognition of Kiswahili and French alongside English as official languages of EAC. Kiswahili as a unifying African language embodies our shared cultural heritage, while French reflects the diversity of our community. This inclusivity strengthens our identity, promotes cohesion, and enhances our capacity to engage effectively, locally, regionally, and in the global stage. Your Excellencies, trade remains a vital engine for economic growth and regional integration. Kenya appreciates the continued support of EAC heads of state in navigating complex trade matters. One such matter is our economic partnership agreement with the European Union, which was necessitated by our transition from least developed countries status. As a country, we face the possibility of losing duty-free and quota-free access to the European Union market, a critical destination for Kenyan exports, particularly fresh produce, such as flowers, fruits, and vegetables. In this context, the EAC Heads of State Summit on the 27th of February 2021 in Arusha endorsed Kenya's decision to finalize an EPA with European Union. This agreement ensured continuity and stability in our trade relations, safeguarding thousands of livelihoods and securing critical export markets for Kenya. Similarly, Kenya concluded an economic partnership agreement with the United Kingdom in 2020, recognizing the necessity of protecting our trade inflows post-Brexit. I am pleased to note that efforts are now underway to accommodate the remaining East African community partners within this framework as directed by the East African Council of Ministers. And we want to appreciate the foresight of our ministers in getting other partner states to be part of this expanded global market ecosystem. Going forward, I call upon the East African Secretariat to intensify discussions with the European Union to facilitate the inclusion of all partner states in the unified trade framework. A harmonized approach will enhance our bargaining power, expand market access, and position EAC as a formidable economic bloc in the regional and global arena. With the European Union representing a market of 13 trillion euros, this partnership offers unparalleled opportunities for trade, investment, and development cooperation. As we pursue these opportunities, we must also address internal barriers to trade within our region. By eliminating non-tariff barriers, enhancing infrastructure connectivity, and fostering regulatory harmonization, we can create a seamless trading environment that drives competitiveness, economic growth, and job creation. Finally, the drafting of the East African Community Political Confederation Constitution is a historic milestone in our pursuit for deeper integration. While progress has been made and is measured, we must expedite this process. The Constitution will serve as a foundation for political, economic, and social cohesion, enabling us to celebrate our unity while harnessing our diversity. Your Excellencies, as we celebrate our achievements, let us remain undaunted by the challenges ahead. Every obstacle is an opportunity to innovate, collaborate, and make progress. Together, we can realize the founding vision of the East African community and deliver a brighter future for our people. I thank you. Asanteni sana. Merci beaucoup. Long live East Africa. Thank you very much.
This is the journey to One Africa.